Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download and install Apache Netbeans IDE on Windows operating system. Also, we'll see execution of sample Java program. Now here first requirement for Apache Netbeans installation is before this installation of Apache Netbeans, you have to install Java. Then only you can install the Netbeans IDE. If you are going to directly installation of NetBeans IDE, it will restrict you to install the Java. So make sure that before installation of NetBeans IDE, you have installed Java on your machine. And friends, if you have not installed Java on your machine, I have given link in description box for the video how to download and install Java on a Windows operating system. So let's start with video. So first open Google Chrome web browser. Here type Apache Netbeans download. It is showing the page for download. So just click on this downloads. Now see, we want to install 64-bit file for Windows. So again, if you observe here, it is showing the installer and packages. This package is for Apache Netbeans Windows 64-bit. So just click on this. Again, it will redirect towards the official page of Apache Software Foundation. So here first link you are getting for Windows 64-bit.exe. It is for Apache Netbeans download. So just double click on it. Friends, this file takes more time for downloading. So already I have downloaded the file. So I will open that and I will stop this downloading. This is my file for installation. After downloading file, just you have to double click on this. Click on yes. Now installation is started and it is showing the following packages which will be included within this Apache Netbeans. So just click on next button. Again, it is showing the license and agreement. Just click on I accept the terms and agreement and click on next button. Here it is showing path for installation of Apache Netbeans and this path that is for JDK file. Here already I have installed a JDK file. That's why it is automatically taking path for JDK. That's why here it is required that first you download and install the Java, and after confirming that you have installed Java, then only go for Netbeans installation. So I want to take same path. I will click on next button. After this, click on install button so that installation will start. It is showing installation completed successfully. So setup is completed. So just click on finish button. Here shortcut is created for Apache Netbeans. Now see, it is showing welcome page for Apache. So just close this start page. Now we will see how to create sample Java program. First you have to click on file. Again create new project. Here I want to select Java with, and again within that I want Java application. So I will create Java application and just click on next button. So project name, I want to keep it as it is, Java application 1. You can change name also. So just click on finish button. Java file is created. Again package name it has taken same Java application 1, and here class is created as a Java application. Within that it contains the main method, that is public static void main string arguments. And if you want to print any message within the main function, you can print the message. So I will print the message system system.out.println. Again, you have to provide the string. So I will provide the string. Welcome to Java programming. Now save this program. You can press Ctrl S button, or from here file you can select the option as a save. Okay, now I want to run this program, or I want to execute this program. For that, if you see to this bar at top side, it is having option to run the project, or directly you can press F6 so that your program will get executed. So I will click here. It is showing output here. Welcome to Java programming, and it built successfully. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.